This is a used 2009 Volkswagen New Beetle, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include heated seats, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, aluminum rims, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, cruise control, keyless entry, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Independence Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3101 Columbia Boulevard, Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania 17815.